everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm down in Maroubra at Mahon's Pool. I'm not really sure how to spell it, how to say it, but it's M-A-H-O-N-S, and it's a free swimming pool down in Maroubra, just at the left-hand side of the beach. It's a saltwater swimming pool and has an awesome, like it's surrounded by rocks and stuff, looks really nice. I'll give you a look. Something strange that we have in Australia that a lot of places don't have is these little book libraries. So they just put this box, I think the council does it, or some sort of charity, they put these little boxes and people just put books there for people to swap. I think it's a really good idea. I've seen them in Newtown, I've seen one here today. I think this is the second one I've actually ever seen, but I'm sure they're all over the place. So what have they got there? Encyclopedia of Paranoia. The dispensable guide to everyone and everything you should be afraid
and worried about.
Very strange, very strange.
That's what I thought.
Very strange, not really my thing.
That's why I picked it up. I was like, I'm worried about a lot of things, man.
It's unusual, huh?
Maybe in that book.
So yeah, down here there's a lot of nice spots along the rocks that you could sit and stuff, like all over here. And then here we have the pool. Alright, so once again, another quick video from Pandemic Traveller. If you have anything you'd like to ask me, please leave a comment. And if you know anyone that might be interested in watching my videos, please share them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, Pandemic Traveller.